to earn passive income through real estate investing, you'll need some upfront money. If you lack sufficient savings, taking out loans for investment properties is a viable choice. However, selecting the right loan type is essential to maximize your investment success. In this video, we analyze the 6 common loan options for investment properties, assisting you in finding the ideal choice for your investment goals. Conventional mortgage loans for investment properties. Conventional mortgage loans are commonly used in real estate investing. They are offered by private entities without government backing. To qualify, investors typically need a 20% down payment, a minimum credit score of 620, and proof of affordability. Lenders may expect 6 months of cash reserves. Requirements vary by state, so check local market conditions for obtaining these loans. Hard money loans for investment properties. Hard money loans are an option for real estate investors. They are faster to secure than conventional mortgages and don't rely on credit scores. Instead, the value of the property determines loan approval. These loans have formalities, documentation, and higher interest rates. They suit investors aiming to buy and quickly sell cheap properties for profit. Long-term residential investments are not suitable for these short-term loans. Evaluate property profitability and after repair value before considering hard money loans to avoid financial difficulties. Private money loans for investment properties. Private money lenders are non-professionals who seek a return on their extra funds. They can be from your network or other property investors you've met. These loans benefit investors rejected by banks, offering fewer formalities, flexible terms, and lower interest rates. However, they require collateral, such as a promissory note or an existing mortgage. Failure to repay may result in property foreclosure. Fix and flip loans for investment properties. Investing in long-term properties has benefits, but dealing with bad tenants can be a downside. For those preferring the fix and flip strategy, a fix and flip loan is a suitable financing option. These short-term loans allow investors to renovate and quickly sell the property. They are similar to hard money loans, secured by the property. Approval is based on potential profitability and the after-repair value. However, fix and flip loans can be expensive with high interest rates and short repayment periods. Closing costs may also be higher compared to conventional financing. Home equity loans for investment properties. Using home equity is a great option to finance long-term income properties or flips. Home equity loans allow homeowners to borrow against their home's equity for a second home or income property. Lenders offer up to 80% of the home's equity value. Advantages include easy access to cash, a simple loan process, and tax-deductible interest. However, these loans have higher interest rates than first mortgages, and defaulting can lead to property repossession. Responsible investors with a clear borrowing plan and stable income find home equity loans a sensible choice. Commercial investment property loans. If you're involved in commercial real estate investing, residential investment property loans won't be suitable for you. Instead, consider commercial investment property loans. These loans require a solid business plan and a good credit score. Lenders focus on the property's potential benefits and necessary improvements for cash flow. Various types of commercial investment property loans exist, tailored to specific commercial properties. For example, commercial hard money loans are short-term options for purchasing and renovating owner-occupied commercial properties. Expect a down payment of 15%, 35%, and interest rates of 8%, 13% for these loans, lasting 1-3 years. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your real estate investing journey. If you're interested in understanding where to invest in America today, we have a dedicated video for that. Simply click on the video shown on your screen to explore the exciting opportunities awaiting you in the world of real estate. Happy investing!